Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 146 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this fun product to try out. This is the Beautique Foil Eyeliner and I have it here in the shade Blue Silver. I found this at Sally Beauty Supply in the clearance section for $2.99. I don't think I've ever tried anything from the brand Beautique. In fact, I don't think I've even heard of them until today. Okay, so it is just like a typical pencil that you'd need to sharpen. See how it writes. Oh, wow. This is really pretty. It's very shiny, metallic. The color of the pencil is a little deceiving because to me, this is not very silver. It's kind of almost, in my opinion, a metallic navy, but it's pretty. When I bought this, I kind of thought it was like a purpley silver. And it really writes so smoothly and pigmented. Let's see how it looks on my eyes. That was so quick and easy to apply because it really does glide on, so pigmented, and it's so foiled, like so metallic, so pretty. I really love it as like an upper lash line, but I feel like there are so many possibilities with this. Like you could do wings, you could outline the lid like a cut crease type of look. Let's see what I can create. Okay, I've got a slight wing. I'm really interested to try like outlining my eyelid just to see how it works. I don't know, I was just kind of drawing around and I did like a sort of like haloed effect. So where like if you had other eyeshadow colors, you could just put this in the middle to get a foiled halo eye, which I think would look so pretty because this color really is so shiny and pigmented and it really stays in place. It's not creasing at all. Let's see if it smudges. Wow, a little bit of smudging if I press down hard, but it's not like I would really be rubbing at my eyes anyways, so it's going to stay in place really nicely. I want to try lining my lower lash line. It kind of looks like the eyeshadow on the lower lash line effect because of the color and the sheen, and it's easy to kind of smudge it out for that smoked out lower lash line look. I just love how full pigment this is. Normally in my videos I'll do what I did to one eye and then do it to the other eye, but for today, since I just try a bunch of different things, I'm just gonna do this eye to leave it as a comparison. I have to say, like, I'm very impressed by Beautique. I want to try other products from them now because I'm very impressed by this formula. I would love to try this pencil out in other colors too. I feel like it's so pretty and so metallic. I love metallic makeup. And I really feel like this color can transition day to night because you could just have a daytime look, just adding a little bit to the upper or lower lash line. But if you wanted to make this more of an impactful look, it's so versatile. Like you can do so much with it. I've been trying a lot of kind of eyeshadow sticks and like eyeshadow replacement pencil types of products, and this is another one that I'm gonna really enjoy using instead of an eyeshadow powder sometimes because I just think it's so easy to work with. You can get very precise in your application, but it's also so pigmented and you have no fallout and you don't even need a brush. I'd love to know in the comments down below your ideas of how you would use this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.